Alright, let's go have a look, see how everything's looking on this April 1st. Is that right? Today, April 1st. No, March 1st. Sorry about that. We're just done with April. Let's see if we can get what we can see. The broccolis. We got wings coming up all the way around. All the onions. Got broccoli. Yeah. Look at this plowed up garden. Potatoes, and starting to put some wood chips around them. Corn popping up. See how wet the ground is. Just had all that rain. And can you see them wild hedge bushes blooming? Standing out here, I thought my roses were smelling. Just the wild hedges. I thought, man, rose bush no bigger than that, putting out that kind of smell. That's some good smelling roses. It ain't roses. It's the wild hedge bushes. I don't know what they really call it. That's what we call them. They sure do smell good though. Then we got tomatoes stuck out and dirty from all this rain, splattering dirt all over them. They dirty. Eventually we'll get all this covered like we're doing around the potatoes. Got most of the potatoes covered. Still got some more to go, and we're going to lay all that by the corn. A little fertilizer and put some field peas in there around them. Let them grow up the corn. The tomato plants have got killed by the frost. They're starting to grow back some. A couple of leaves here and there made it. There's one growing back. I don't know if they'll make anything. They're trying to grow back anyway. There's some more growing back. Guys, where did I see them at? See some buds coming on there. Trying to grow back. And we got all these sweet potatoes in here. And a couple of broccolis. And a dang ink bed. Look at that ink bed. Can't get rid of them rascals. Don't put no poison in there. We're trying to pour into some methane around here. Really, now them bushes after a rabbit. Alright. Let's go see. Back to Eden Garden, they called it. Snapper's still sitting there ready to go. Got lots of projects around here. Just got a message from a tree service that they'll come by here and start dropping me some wood chips. Hope it dries out and we can get them out here where we really want them. But I don't know how many loads. Shoot, take at least 20. Get this right here cleaned up. Get the rest of this fence down. Move it down. Move this metal. I'm gonna dump what I can in here and cover that up. Make it look like these here. So I still got a pile there I got to go through. I'm gonna put some of that on the garden. Nothing else. What's left is gonna be spread right there. I don't know if the sun's letting this show up good or not, but yeah, we got radishes, beets, cabbage, old broccoli. Then we got more squash, cucumber down there coming up the fence. Got the several cucumber plants out there. Cucumber. Said that already, didn't I? Cantaloupe. Several cantaloupe plants. We're gonna put some of them wood chips in here. See how they done tore all that grass loose. Fix this up where they stay out of the garden and everybody else's garden. I'm gonna fill that full of wood chips and let them start composting right in there. Let's go see how the meat birds is coming along. Been 3 weeks. We come out here and they was all in the brooder, and we have flipped the brooder over and got it where they can go under the brooder now instead of living in it. Hey, chickies! Hey, chickies! I just fed them. They got their bellies full and laid out somewhere. All up under there in the light. Hey, chickies! Come on, chickies! One of them come out, sis. Come up here and fed them earlier, and they was all out here climbing my leg. Hey, chickies! They're coming in. Chickies! Come on out, man, there, chickies! Chickies! 3 weeks old, man. Alright. And then we got the hens next door over there doing their thing. One in the corner. Some waiting to come in. Alright. See what we can do. Get some help out here. Hoping to eventually get that moved as well as that yonder cleaned up. Get that little fence down and that one there down, and then cover all that up through yonder with wood chips. Let them just dump all they can dump in here.